Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by connecting the DualSense Edge and ensuring the PC recognizes it. Install any necessary Sony drivers, then plug in via USB-C for stable communication. Once done, open the DualSense Edge app or a trusted remapper like Steam Input or DS4 Windows to access back button settings. You need a direct link to the pad to edit hardware mappings. The USB connection lets the app write profiles and firmware-aware configurations. Make sure the controller shows as connected before moving on. You now map the physical back buttons to the actions you want. In the app, choose or create a profile, then tap the back button icon and assign a keyboard key, controller input, or a macro sequence. Once assigned, adjust advanced options like debounce time, toggle mode, or layered macros to avoid accidental presses. If using Steam Input, export the layout or set it per game. Test each mapping in-game or with a button tester to confirm the response and tweak timing as needed. You finish by saving the profile both to the controller's onboard memory and to your PC so it persists. Then test in a game for latency, accidental triggers, and correct inputs. Make iterative adjustments for sensitivity or macro timing. If the back buttons don't work, reconnect the USB, restart the app, update firmware, or reset the controller profile. These steps often clear conflicts. Finally, document one working profile per game so you can quickly switch without rebuilding mappings.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.